Ang pagsunod ay hindi pahati-hati. Kailangan buo. I am rich. I am happy. I am prosperous. I am strong. I am young. I am beautiful. Ulit-ulitin nyo lang yan. Something will happen to you. Isaiah chapter 1 verse 19. If you are willing and obedient, you will get the best from the land. Pag ikaw ay maging masunurin, lahat na magandang bagay sa buhay mo darating. Lahat na magandang bagay sa buhay mo darating. Sapagkat ang pananalig na may kapangyarihan gumawa ng himala ay pananalig na sumusunod, gumagawa, humahakbang, extra effort, gumagawa, para lang masunod ang sinabi ng Diyos. Your word has power over spirits. Your word has power over sickness. Salita mo, Panginoon, sapat na. Sapagkat ang salita ni Kristo ay espiritu at may kapangyarihan, may buhay. Jesus said, my words are spirits and they are life. Buhay.